morning, Tashi Delek. Welcome back to twinphosafamily. So today our family is headed down south. So this video will be mostly about our trip down. Hope you enjoy it. So yeah. We crossed the bridge. Guys, do you remember this restaurant? The Indian Nepali restaurant. We went here when Ani Nima, Ani Deka, Asha Manish, Asha Pema was here.
I remember we got the slushy thing.
Yeah, you guys had ice cream. We also went that way. We went to the aquarium that way. Asha Pema took us to aquarium. Didn't Papa dream ba? Aquarium khandi ning jamu to chilo le seal che bula khandi fish mangbuto. Welcome to the city of Tonawanda. So we are at the city of Tonawanda.
Gosh, it's Santa and Mrs. Claus. They're the friends we used.
So this is where we are right now. Loves the big square. Where are they? Really shiny stuff. This service center actually has like a car thing, gadget, souvenirs, and then Wendy's at the corner, like fast food. And even the outfits, nice and pretty keychains. They have a lot of stuff. And my baby is there. So, Samla, can you show me what did you get? Gum and khare ya tumse. Bujun kyo khar le? Ale, kisi chick chicken le.
Icebreaker.
Bujutin the darling khar le. No, icebreaker pasha ngaze the gum le ba. Oh. Khaje ta din yimani la kar de. It's so tiny, you're going to lose it in 2 days. Yeah.
Hey guys, yeah, let's go.
Okay, let's go, darling. Their washroom is very clean. You like it? Yeah? Alrighty. See ya. Salamla. Manzo khawallar. Wendy's la khashallar.
Something.
Khala salare. So Wendy's la kharise. Oh my goodness, kyo 한국이 ditenda kharisa khola khala ire? Kamaji guda. Khala ire dila?
Gibbet.
Gibbet. Oh my god, gibbet ning jela.
I normally call them crocs.
Crocs. 당아서 Wendy's 라
This is the
칼라스.
world's smallest Rubik's Cube.
Oh my goodness, kasi tagi world's smallest Rubik's Cube rather.
KEL. KEL.
Betul? Kalah karingai. Betul? Kalah karingai. Kid meals. Did you finish your chicken nugget? Yeah? Papa da cucu kinzi kalah sazare. Wow. Papa kalah khandi chess.
You know that.
Ngada sagor me burger khandi da. Nga fries chicken is try chira. Pe chagur shito da. Ngazu kalah lar da da. Ngazu ki harra mayun shar khajla yang kesa yang model ya. This sangin hona la ni sta shagir ra. Otherwise, kujo. How was the chicken nugget? Good. So you got the characters. How many? Four? Three? Three characters blue. Jojo got green, right?
Delek.
Familia. Ya, bujo. Kila dah ya.
Don't forget the right shape of the flag.
Thank you. Coba lah mek ya, diversi. Anji. Kan aja tanda cuci tanda jogodo.
1 more hour.
Mana 2 more hours ra. Sekarang lah aja tanda cuci tanda jogodo. 2 more hours. So we're taking a break, stretching break. Chabal pi guys there, grass la feel the grass. Hey, stretching she good job. Good job. Kintu gym class la da. Gym chenya la stretching lab guda gigenge ondi chida ya. Yeah.
Smallest Rubik's Cube.
Wow! World's smallest Rubik's Cube.
I know, why?
This near the ma. See? Near na blurry
Like,
check.
look, it's smaller than my hand.
Yeah.
It's
Yes.
almost like one piece is smaller than my nail.
Yes. Actually, kyunki semoli chunga do pisti.
Rubik's Cubes are supposed to be like this big, but this one's like
I think this is a baby chingy Rubik's Cube.
like what? Like, do you know like big Rubik's Cube, like the normal one? This is like one piece of it. And you can
Okay.
use it easily.
Yeah.
Unless if I like turned one side all green and one side like brown, and like put it here and then like it's green, so you cannot tell.
रे किसी के चागाला शरवा गांव जंगुई ना अनि थोंग मारवा अनि handsome बाबा मागे आराम से
Okay.
차이는데 당아지 레시를 I'm so sorry 갈라이 야야 오케이 야야 근데 이게 있어
Find this Rubik's
저는 this mask 야 동만 요래지 그럼 mask 야 오케이 야 사람라 갈라이
Can you find a Rubik's Cube in this?
Rubik's Cube ke dide libyo. Okay, kizu nyegi dwe. Salam lagi dide la Rubik's Cube ifsha. Rubik's Cube 자고 가warado kinjura. Yeah, the viewer. This question is for the viewers, right, Sonamla?
Subscribe. And if you don't, leave a like.
Please subscribe. Oh, I found it. We are 42 minutes. The ETA is 42 minutes. Almost there. Kind of like almost there, but 42 minutes more to go.
How many minutes?
We're almost there. 9 more minutes.
Now is it on?
On the GPS, 9 more
Now is it on
minutes.
the freeway?
We're not sure, Amma. Let's see. See? Woodbury. Oh, Woodbury Premium Outlet is right here. Is that the Woodbury outlet? Oh my god, this is the outlet.
What?
The Woodbury outlet mall.
Can we shop there?
I would love to, but not today, darling.
How about tomorrow?
Tomorrow, Bunny, I don't think so.
Yeah,
That's
but
the
then we have to
Woodbury
go
outlet.
7-hour drive back.
Maybe on Monday.
On Monday we're leaving.
Yeah, like when we leave in the morning, we can stop by here.
We're just 9 minutes away. I can't even wait 1 minute.
근데 1 minute पनि मगुए घुमाजुए like you खाने छुए. Lollipops आनिरा सोनम ना.
Which one do you want? Juicy food, subscribe, and squishy, like.
Please in the light जाऊँ रमा. Please,
And,
thank you.
and if you want this Metro robot, do everything.
Please.
And also, if you want the world's miniest Rubik's Cube, which I have right in my backpack, if you want this mini Rubik's Cube, share, comment, like, and subscribe. Because it's on New York.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yeah. Oh,
And
you got
it
it.
costs $10.
Yeah. Oh my God. Ra, they Rubik of
It's in the 4th aisle. And also, Mama, can
I think they have
you show? Mama, can you show?
Sure. Hola, come on,
And
Chikwa.
you one more time.
Chikwa. Okay. No,
And if you want this bendy pencil, which can bend so good, like, let me show you what it can do. It can bend like this. It can even like do this kind of cool trick.
Wow.
It can bend so.
It's a special pencil.
I got it from a bag. Please subscribe and please tell your other friends to subscribe if you have any friends or cousins.
And
Please
thank
subscribe
you.
on your TV, iPhone, or computer. Please do all, and then I can buy one for you.
And thank you in advance.
Thank you. But you
Yeah.
have to give us the money.
I have to give you the money.
Thank you. Come again.
Okay, see you again. Now we're almost here.
Cinema?
Yes, darling. Lake Frederick outdoor recreation area. So we're at the it's like camping cottage style. We're not really sure, so we will see. Huge, eh?
So much confidence. Oh my God, why you have so much confidence?
So this is where we are staying, number 8. Bunk bed. Oh,
Can I pull down the mat?
bunk bed mangala.
You can do that.
Bunk bed two tumbo dilara. Oh, dilara two do. Dilara bunk bed ni dura. ले चिक पर दो लेआउट हजुर दे चिक पर दो हो शब्द दे लेआउट दे बंग बेड छु
खाना साय मिखे
हजुर साई लम्गला साई 그중에 Junila. Legally, she gentle,
Never wear my hat.
Rinchella.
Tell us here.
Tell Machi, okay. So they have swimming here, so I think this is the one. And they have the cycling boat. Very nice place. They have a canoe. Please clean up after your dog. They provide the garbage. Ale dito the mini dirsha fake beach. They have nice pool and boat ride, and we came this way. Boat house is for cabin renters only. So welcome to Lake Frederick. And actually they have like a store, like a mini convenience store, and this is the kitchen. I think. And Ajala told me that this time they have a chef, so the family can have fun, have nice time while the chef can prepare all the meals. It's hot, but the water is very cold.
Took me forever to catch up to that ball. Thank you. Water in it. That's why it's heavy.
I need someone to hold.
Nice.
그다음에 주불라. 주불라 택마지 누구라? 이시라 used to share. 이 창문 빙결다 디 부부다 디 아자다 디 brother 든지 파파이 그게 인지 가지시 마라 디 brother 든지 창마 디 바이니 든지 창마 아니 파파기래 둬 창마 빙결에
Dire shortcut lara. Shape kawo da pe nakudi mare.
할사
Shape kawo da shape nakudi na pinja mare.
저거 상말 다시 받으드드 Okay, kids are having fun in the water, and the lifeguard just announced that the pool will close at 5, and So we have 10 more minutes, and then boys will have to get out of the water. But we're having fun. Nice evening. Since it's yeah, officially summer, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, almost officially summer. But days are longer, weather is warm and nice, so it's gonna be a nice evening. So the snack, pakoda, chicken, and there's pork. Pork, some. But nagi lemewa. Looks good. Oh my goodness, a chung. And chung is cold. Perfect for the warm weather, cold and very nice. Very Boat mang zan re. Boat mang zan la re sa. Republic ni jauh asa. Kami mata anda jar mau mata nyender langsung. Okay, anybody watching this video, please vote for Chonapatile. He's running for election candidate party khari nagas. Hi Bucho. So this is our cabin number 8. These are twin posa la. Anji. Jojo ngala lakpagi wave chista. Bujing. Oh, thank you, darling. Salo ama okay. So this is like the cafeteria, the lunchroom. So they're playing over there. This is like a big lunchroom, like cafeteria. And this is the appetizer we had earlier. And tea. And the kitchen. Oh, kitchen is big. So I think they're prepping the dinner. Not sure what's the dinner. So, oh my god, it looks good. It's hot here. And already. The day is coming towards an end, not an end. I think there are more activities later. It's 8 p.m. Oh my lord, 8 p.m. But that's okay because kids don't have no school tomorrow and we're on vacation, so we'll just chill. And they actually had a good nap in the car earlier. So, see. Especially Kelsang, he's having so much fun and he's meeting all his relatives. So how are you feeling, darling?
It's hot.
It's hot. Are you enjoying?
Yes. 새벽 빛에보다 그냥 그러더래. 네가 bullet. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I pulled the frisbee state the chepa nga ma thuen lemba.
아니, 경치.
Yeah, I bet, yeah, because inje kesala he drove 9 hours. He drove 9 hours while I took a power nap. Kids took good nap. And we're having good time. Kids are actually enjoying a lot. They're playing, running around. Right now they're playing frisbee inside. They're playing frisbee.
글쎄 말다 어디.
Sorry, frisbee Mari. I'm so sorry. Foosball. Foosball. Yeah. Oh my goodness, like the sunset is extremely pretty. Extremely pretty. My phone doesn't really justify the beauty, but it's extremely pretty. The day is coming to an end. It seems like Vincent made some friends. Oh my god.
Someone to play the song Larry 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 Larry.
I'll do it when they come back. Don't worry. I promise.
I know. I'm like the song Larry Larry Larry.
Sona made some new friends.
I don't know.
Oh my god.
제주에잖아 그 소라고 그리고 와서 나도 이맛이 아니 이맛이란 난 내가 이맛이란 아니 그거는 깨방서 시에당을 제
그래, 네 아스 시당기 통승해.
아 남기는
아니 어디에
살고 있어라 시에 먹는 바로 계란 땅 좀 많이 했는데 인해서
아스는 셰프하고
다시 내가 보다
아니 네 아스 가서 이만 신년을 전에 한대야 그렇잖아. 냈잖아요.
이맛이 얘는 딱 삼아두게라 내가 오죠
다른 사람 보시는 거야. 맞아.
내가 오죠
네, 아수 앨범 가져라.
계세요래
앨범 계세요. 오 마이 갓. 아수 싱어라. 가서 점도 인데 그거를 쉐어라. support is gonna play chain. 마시는 가지고 가서 쉐어 가지고 하나 트레디셔널 쉐어 해보다. 아수가 앨범 얘기를 앨범 좀 sam스랑이 앨범 얘는 너무 거라.
한줄에 멤버들 너도도 한줄 쓰시면
나중에 쉐이 나와라. 나중에 쉐이 가는 스텝 분석하니 딱 갈래 민주 여기 반주 갈래 매도가 아니고 저는 하나다 100% 책임인다. 네, 어떻게 장보다 정말. 그냥 뭐
여기서 당 삼아요라 난 이거도 나이도
그래요. 야.
이놈은 요래 준비 좀 그냥
네, 가자. 아스당기 미 통스라 빼고 당겼어.
집에 보내요 말이나
말을 하서 어느 빼고도 나라 나시다가 계산 있나 이래. 나시 좀 나라다 너무 영아야. 거칠게 이런 거라. 얘가 다른 nga sa zom nila dala si pinya sa malo ya. Asa video YouTube mo mo dong. Kaya mo ito. Ne pinya sa zom.
Oh, and I'm very grateful for that. Every year I see you once a year. I mean, we try to do this at Losar, July 4th, and I feel very grateful because growing up, this is so important. I see my brothers, my cousins, the uncle, auntie, and we all see each other because one day, when we get older, we want to do the same thing for our kids. And so I'm very thankful that all the Ashang, Loju, they taught us. So now, when we older, we'll do the same thing for our kids. So then, we keep the family tight. Everyone's gonna come from Nepal. We have kids one day. We'll still do this. 20 years from now, 10 years from now, we're still gonna do this for our family. Thank you.
Congratulations. Yes, हाम्रो आमा समेत सबको तर्फबाट तपाईहरुलाई बधाई ज्ञापन व्यक्त गर्न चाहन्छु। Oke, sama lagi, teman-teman. Atau lagi sama lagi. Kalian semua jalan. Kita sama. Orang ini lagi. Ada pada kantor. Habis sama ekspor kita juga kan. Apa kata orang kita? Sama jalannya. Orang lain lagi sama lagi. Halo.
Nanti dia.
Yes, we want to place to Dr. Welcome Sarah family.
This is our first seller of our family, okay?
Tonight here is rice, lamb, aloo misha, chicken and dal, some tofu Manchurian and salad and matcha. So this is my dinner. Chicken, matcha, again another matcha, cucumber, inshallah, tofu Manchurian and dal and rice.
Just let it, right?
Seven larang azu nije sana asu mindu 7 less azu asu 67 redo check ding ai ni 41
सेकेन्ड प्राइज विन गर्नुभएकोमा त्यसै गरी
Five seven, 5-7. Asu 6-7 days.
धेरै धेरै हजुर साथै
That's it! I'm gonna.
Alrighty, I'm gonna end this video here today. Thank you so much to all of our viewers and all of our subscribers. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we will see you on next video. Bye. Thank you.